a shrill cry of pain. Oh my God!
Hello, can you hear me?
Dear me.
This is Captain Rostova. Go ahead, Dr. Thorne.
Terrain analysis complete. The swamp is more treacherous than anticipated.
And the Anaconda is a record breaker.
CO rescue team, let's move!
Go! Go! Go!
Rescue 1, you are cleared for departure.
Over here! This way!
Zola is still alive!
Thank you.
Whoa! Liam!
Zola's condition is worsening.
Plan A is a no-go. Fall back.
Target is locked. Ready to fire on your command, Captain.
This isn't gonna be easy.
No, not at all.
Captain, the Thorns are scratching the Ostrich. Her condition is deteriorating fast. We have to act now.
Plan B is compromised. We're out of options. It's time for Plan C. Liam, get the mirror.
Gia, Marco, prep the cryoblasters.
Engage. Fire now. Dot. Go, go, go!
Get those straps ready, Liam. Easy, easy. Keep it steady.
Clear the area. Let's get Zola stable. Steady, team, steady.
Almost there, Brutus. Just a little further.
Her pulse is weak, she's in shock. Let's get an IV started immediately.
It's all right, Zola. You're safe now.
No fractures, just deep bruising. We'll stabilize her for transport.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, on my count.
All right, team, lift on 3.
We did it.
Well done, team.
Another successful mission.